Take one.
I am going to live in my car. So let's just get that out of the way. Welcome here to me in my car. Huh. I don't like that though. Like, I don't like saying that, so I need to figure out what else to say. We are gonna do a lot of things today. We're gonna talk about, first of all, the feedback that I got on my last video. I was planning to make a roof rack out of wood. I still have the wood. It's cut into pieces so I can never return it. And I also have the flex paste. I can return this one. That's the good news. I ordered a roof rack so I don't have to drill holes in my roof. I'm sorry for that taking me so long to realize. I really hate online shopping. I'm terrified and I don't trust anybody. I just am always scared that it's gonna somehow get lost in the abyss. I bought a $75 roof rack the other day. Hopefully it comes before I leave Minnesota for my adventures in Utah. Today, we have a lot on the agenda. I need to patiently wait for my roof rack to arrive. That's gonna take weeks. In the meantime, we're gonna figure out solar panels. I don't think we're gonna do anything fancy with that. I'm sorry if I let you down. We're gonna go look at the solar panels at REI. We have to test out the propane, and then we have to Velcro a shelf. Let's go do all those things in order to make my car livable. Did I already say yes, I did. Okay. Chili! Here she is! Hello! How are you?
I'm good, I got groceries.
I'm so happy for you. I'm drinking this and I feel too many things.
Well, yeah, is it your second one
Yeah.
today? We'll get crack-a-lackin'.
I know.
I got bombs!
Cute.
Okay, happy vlogging.
Happy plumbing.
Thank you.
I love you. Oh, the funny thing was that I slept over at her house last night and we magically appeared at Whole Foods at the same time today, unknowingly, and that is true friendship. So we're gonna go find some stuff for my car now. Okay. I have had too much coffee. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna see if this fits under my bed. Gosh. How did I get so lucky? Okay. I need to use this to test out my solar panel, even though it is probably the most gloomy day to be testing this out. It is raining outside, hence the indoors. Everything is dandy. I'm going to be plugging you in so you don't die. Hold still. This is my Goal Zero Yeti 150. This is the solar panel I just bought today. I would be putting it in the sun right now in my car at a park if it wasn't raining. How does it plug in? Don't know if it plugs in. Wow, it has to. So it just sits up like this. It's gonna collect the sun, and hopefully I'll be able to use a USB because it has this little USB port right here. So I think I can just use the USB port from my phone charger, and no, I can't. Maybe I can. I'm so confused. No, we have to run this down a little bit. This is full of power. I need to maybe run my computer off of it. Let's do that. We're gonna run it down, plug this into it, and then see if it works. Although I don't have any sun with me today, so we're gonna stick this in the window for a day until I know that it's been in the sun long enough to be able to charge something. And then we're gonna plug it into my Yeti and see if the battery goes up. I will update you when that happens, but for now, let me put this in the window. Plug this in, have it charge my computer for a little while. I'm so scared about this. We need to test out the propane. Should we do the hard part first or the easy part? The easy part is the stove because I just have to use these little guys. Maybe we should get the hard part out of the way. I have to figure out this adapter. Ow! This brings back a lot of memories. I am absolutely terrified of this. Oh, I hate the smell. Maybe I should not have a candle on. That smells awful. It smells so bad. I'm kind of scared that the adapter has a hole in it. I opened my window and my brother is downstairs, so I might just whisper for the rest of this segment. So I'm sorry. Please come here. I have propane.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get this so it's not gonna leak, but it's leaking. I'm gonna go to Home Depot now. The adapter is leaking. I literally felt the propane shooting from the nozzle. We're gonna go bug the Home Depot guys. Yeah. I'm here at Home Depot. I'm gonna go in. They are going to help me whether they like it or not. I'm going to force them to help me. Then I'll see you in a second. I did it. It works now. It turned out that the tank that they gave me originally was overfilled. It was too pressurized. And I got a new tank and it works now. Now, let's go home and see if my stove works. And then I'm gonna do this and this, just like a square out of it. Okay. What? I need a chunk of my bed out.
Where?
Just.
How big do you want?
That's good enough. Well, now that I know that my heater is working, I can test out my stove. This should be super easy considering I'm just using these little propane tanks. Is it on? It's so pretty. Day 2 of this video. Not only is my coffee strong and prominent, but so too is my acne. What else is new? Oh, and the fall vibes. And, okay, this box of clothes that I have, strong and prominent. I I will be getting rid of some of these clothes today. I have a friend that I'm going to right now. We're going to make her adopt as many clothes as she can. So let's try.
Why'd you get a new heater? Yeah, the same
I
one.
got rid of it.
Yeah, and then you got a brand new one.
So?
Did you sell the old one?
With my van.
Huh?
With my van.
Oh, you sold it with your van?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Putting it in. Why are you vacuuming?
No.
That's what I thought.
It's very cold out here.
Go change. I'll miss you. I have these.
Seal you.
Wait a minute. They're not Velcro. I'm so mad. You wanna come get Velcro with me?
Where?
Walmart?
Yeah.
Come along, Noah. You have to sit on my bed though. I need to do something really quick before we leave.
What the?
It's my solar panel.
Where are you gonna put it?
On my dashboard. Alright. I got Velcro. No. Noah, I need your opinion. Do I put it on this side or this? The shelf is going on here. I needed the notch because of this. You see how smart I am? I could put the bungee there.
Stupid.
You look stupid too, so
Look
don't
stupid?
discriminate. Are you
Oh,
laughing?
that's so
Say it one more time.
sweet. What the? Did you just break
It's
it?
Velcro. It's supposed to come apart.
That's not gonna be good. You know?
Okay, it's perfect now.
I'm gonna rip it off.
No! Stop! I worked hard on that.
Did you?
Yes. Look, now I have a nightstand! I need to organize my dog carrier, which I use as a duffel bag for the gym. If the gym is where I'm going to be sleeping and staying and showering, I need everything to be in this confined little bag so I can just easily go in and out. There are typos in the instructions. So this is really confusing. The instructions did not tell me what I'm supposed to do with these. I think because there are 8 of them, I'm supposed to incorporate them into the 8 of these that there are. Tell me if I'm wrong. This is the second bar. I already did that one. I didn't realize that I had these little circles until after I installed that on the roof. So if you know what I'm supposed to be doing with those rings, let me know in the comments. I will keep it half and half until then. The instructions don't say anything about it. What am I supposed to do? Yay!
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh! Color check.
A color check. What did I do today? I put a roof rack on.
Okay, proceed.
I put a roof rack on my car. Oh my gosh, my teeth look so yellow. The color check. I did a roof rack today.
It didn't fall off.
It didn't. I know. That's what I was so scared of because when I was driving on the freeway, it was making.
Bump check.
It was making noises that it didn't used to make, so I was like, is that supposed to happen? And it worked. And I decided that the solar panel that I got, it's really tiny and it only has one port for the USB and it doesn't charge my Yeti. I'm just gonna use it for my phone because I can plug my phone into it, but I can't plug the Yeti into it and charge the Yeti. So I'm just gonna plug my phone into it and then I can charge everything else on my Yeti. Does that make sense to the class? Does anybody have questions? So that's the decision on the solar panel, and then the decision on the roof rack has been made. And what else did I do?
Here, I'll get out of here.
No! I also made a shelf out of Velcro. What else? Test out the propane.
What else did you do?
I really can't remember. Test out the propane. I know there were 4 things, and there was something else, and I know that I did it because I completed everything that I said I was gonna. So that's all we need to know. Jillian, would you like to say my outro? Please subscribe. I don't even have an outro. I do change it up. Please subscribe if you like this video so you know when I post new videos. Follow me on Instagram. My name is Amber F. Bourgeois on there. And then I say, please comment anything down below that you would like to comment or talk about, or usually something like that. Give it a thumbs up. This is Juicy J Jillian. Please follow her on YouTube.
I don't ever post anything.
And you will thank me for the rest of your life. And that's a wrap. Is there anything you'd like to say?
Is this your, oh my god, this vlog. Is this your last video before you move?
No, probably not. They haven't even posted the positions yet.
What position?
The positions that I'm supposed to transfer to.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Those 2 sips of wine.
It is strong wine.
I'm so excited!
Me too.
I'm also sad,
Don't be sad.
but it's okay. Don't touch me. I'm just kidding.
It'll be good. I will visit you every day.
You need to open your card. It was her birthday.
I'm so bad at opening cards and gifts of any kind.
know.
Wait a minute! Oh! What? Oh! Is it a sticker?
Yeah. Like that
Oh my
somewhere.
gosh!
And I drew that.
I know! Look how talented she is!
I
She's
copied
an
it.
absolute artist.
Goodbye. Do you have like a name for your subscribers?
But I should.
Goodbye, Amberonians.
Amberistas. Amberitos.
Oh!
Bernie Sanders supporter. Do all of those things. I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next. You're supposed to stay with me. Next time.
Bye!
This video is over.